Okie dokie. So, pulled up at the surf break this morning, and it looked like it was pretty good, pretty solid. Swells up, wind's a bit funny, but there was some good looking waves coming through. Unfortunately though, there was a large ocean predator sighted right on the surf break, half hour before we arrived. We are not keen to push it, so we're going to go find something else to surf, a little novelty wave. It's a little less exposed maybe, somewhere else. Who's we, I hear you ask? Well, got a couple of me mates down. Really getting sick of the lack of summer in the Perth region. Sorry, the lack of swell in the Perth region over summer. So we're coming to find some good beaches. We got Toddy and Clarky, aka the Ginger Ninja and the Banyak Sonic. Happy days.
Toddy and Clarky are two of my best mates. We've been on heaps of adventures together and shared plenty of good times. AI reckons Toddy looks like this and Clarky looks like this. Don't worry fellas, I don't need AI to look like an idiot. I do that all by myself. In this picture, I kind of resemble this character, although it looks like I've got crap smeared all over my face.
Clarky, how long does it take for a great white to swim 3 kilometres? A week. Excellent.
So, normally I'd surf this spot on a much smaller swell, but the fellas were keen to get wet and it was one of the only options available to us. The paddle out took a while and it was pretty unruly out there. I took out my 5/8 ripstick and stroked into a couple anyway. Didn't really do much on them, but it felt good being out there still, as it always does. The camera's been having some problems. It keeps turning itself off after about half an hour. Unfortunately, it missed a pretty good manoeuvre on a pretty large wave. I did a big rooftop float, followed by losing traction on my front foot and doing an involuntary splits and strained my groin. But some waves are better than no waves.
Plenty of good waves out there, fellas. 0. Oh yeah, bit challenging. Bit of fun. Very much hoping my forceful splits manoeuvre is on camera.
I spent the rest of the day walking about the speed of this shingleback lizard.
Alright, today we are on an adventure somewhere new to find and feed some huge blue groper by hand. We've got Elle, we've got Toddy, we've got Clarky, and we've got me. Alright, this is where we are, and that is where we're going, and beyond.
With the groin feeling a little better, I did my best impersonation of a mountain goat, hobbling around the granite boulders and mountainous landscapes.
Converse What's going well, Toddy?
How good is this?
That's it. How good's this? That's the spirit, guys.
We planned to travel fairly light, as it was quite a ways and we were pretty limited on the amount of bags that we had. Terrain was also pretty challenging.
Yeah, definitely don't want to fall down there.
The trusty Tivas were doing the job. We got to the Cape, which was about the halfway point. Things were getting a bit windy and a bit wild. We started questioning the decision to come here on this day. The swell was getting pretty wild and the odds of the visibility being good in the water was fairly low. But with there being no surf that day, we were up for an adventure.
Are we there yet?
Nope.
The power of the ocean always impresses me. How's this guy with a selfie stick?
Alright, so Boggy Ben put us onto this spot. So if it's amazing, we've got him to thank for it. If it's not amazing, we've got him to thank for it.
The final stretch was a scramble across a heap of large boulders. This might be my favourite type of terrain. I like how stable granite is, being able to see where you're going and knowing that the traction on the granite is really good.
Cal's given up on me. Prefers the drop their socks. Don't know if I recommend that in socks. Might be a bit slippery. Well, we're going to call this Boggy's Channel. How's this for a beautiful little protected cove? Pretty good if you ask me. Any creatures that live here have not seen a human for quite a while. Let's go have a better look. Good?
Let me get a photo of you.
So, tell me, am I photogenic? Standing here, looking super sun smart. Totally cool, I know. A few one-handed parkour maneuvers to reach the destination. Boggy had told us stories about this place. He reckons he's come here, gotten in the water, and straight away was seeing the biggest gropers that he'd ever seen, and hand feeding them abalone off the rocks. That sounded pretty cool, and we wanted a piece of it. The question was, could we have a similar experience? And the answer was no. Elle and I got in the water, and the visibility was pretty much not there at all. It felt pretty unnerving being in there, and we got out after about 10 minutes. We did see a blue groper amongst the rocks from out of the water though, just chilling in the shallows, super relaxed, probably knowing that nothing there was going to harm it.
How's walking with bare feet going? Fabulously. The long walk home. Toddy's ready with his satchel.
On the way back, we found these geese. Not the type of animal that you'd expect to see on the coast like this, on the granite, in front of the slamming surf. But apparently, this is their habitat. They didn't seem to mind us being there too much until we found this wave. The geese were saying, "This is a locals only spot, guys. Better move on."
So Elle has all these beautiful looking things. Meanwhile, I find the world's biggest barnacle. I've lost Clarky and Todd. They're a bit scared of the steep rocks, I think. So they're going up into snake territory instead. Personally, I take the rocks. What about you, Elle?
Well, despite not seeing the massive groper, a lot of the things you plan for and do in the outdoors don't turn out as you'd expect them to. And you just got to make the most of what it is. The places you see, the creatures, and of course, the awesome people you're doing it with. Or maybe you're doing it by yourself. Either way, it's all part of the adventure. Thanks for watching. And if you're enjoying what you're seeing, don't forget to subscribe for more of whatever this is that I'm putting out there. Cheers.